We expect the Cadillac Optiq will cost around $10,000 more than the related Chevrolet Equinox EV, but we have high hopes its unique flair will be well worth the price premium. Positioned below the Lyriq, the Optiq is Cadillac's new small entry-level electric SUV. Eventually, it could replace the XT4. Production on the 2025 Cadillac Optiq will begin in late fall 2024. What's new? New small electric SUV from Cadillac, boasting 300 miles of range. Interior with recycled materials, paperwood veneer made up of equal parts tulip wood and recycled newspaper. A 33.0-inch display with Google built-in compatibility. Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving tech. 8 paint colors, including bold monarch orange. For interior color themes, including blue, black and gray, all black, and a terracotta-like autumn canyon. Range, motors, and performance. The Optiq is built on General Motors' Ultium electric vehicle platform, which underpins the Cadillac Lyriq and Chevrolet Blazer EV. Also built on Ultium is the Chevrolet Equinox EV, which is closely mechanically related to the Optiq. The 2025 Cadillac Optiq will launch in a single specification with an 85 kWh battery good for an estimated 300 miles of range. Using 800-volt DC fast charging, drivers can add 79 miles of range in about 10 minutes, according to Cadillac. A dual-motor AWD system makes 300 horsepower and 354 pounds-ft of torque in this small SUV. Cadillac says this setup will enable 0 to 60 miles per hour launches in 5.9 seconds. A figure we'll have to test for ourselves when given the opportunity. This time would make the 2025 Optiq slightly slower than the Audi Q for e-tron and Mercedes EQB class, and quite a bit slower than the pricier Genesis GV70 electric. One-pedal driving will be achievable, allowing the driver to slow or stop the vehicle with just the accelerator. With Regen on demand, drivers can slow or stop the Optiq using a pressure-sensitive paddle on the steering wheel. Multiple drive modes will be available, including Tour, Sport, Snow, Ice, and a personalized Y mode. The most affordable electric Cadillac. The 2025 Optiq will start at around $54,000, since battery and vehicle production are both sourced in North America. We expect buyers will have the opportunity to qualify for $7,500 in federal tax credits, which would drop its cost below the average transaction price of all new vehicles. Although we don't have full pricing or specs, we know two trims will be available: luxury and sport. Technology. Cadillac is a technology leader among General Motors brands, so it's no surprise the Optiq comes with glitzy digital features. It receives the impressive 33.0-inch digital dashboard display we've seen in the Lyriq. This screen can project over 1 billion colors, literally. Instead of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, the Optiq will feature a built-in Google infotainment experience. The standard AKG19 speaker Dolby Atmos audio system features excellent sound quality. Another self-driving Cadillac SUV. General Motors Super Cruise technology allows for hands-free driving on a network of pre-mapped roadways. Super Cruise has already been offered in several Cadillac models, including the Escalade and Lyriq, and now Optiq joins the list. The semi-autonomous driving tech will come standard for 3 years on the Optiq. Look for a full suite of driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, forward collision alert, blind zone steering assist, enhanced automatic parking assist, and other features. Pros and cons. Pros: cool little Lyriq looks, modern tech. Not a bad price for what you get. Cons: Few configurations available at launch. Production won't begin until late 2024. Tesla Model Y likely to have more range. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.